In this video, I'm going to show you a particular feature on your YouTube Studio that you can actually use to get more views on your video. So that feature, I'm going to reveal it very soon. Stay with me as I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela and I am the face behind this channel, and I am always happy to bring you content that will help you along your content creation journey, and of course to inspire, motivate, and encourage you to keep going on your YouTube journey. So today I am going to share something I discovered recently, something that will actually help you get more views. And this feature is the subtitle, which you can find in your YouTube dashboard, in your YouTube studio. So now the thing is, most of us are not even aware of this feature. Maybe we have seen it, but we don't really know how to apply it. So now, what is the subtitle all about? The subtitle is just a textual translation of your speech. Like when you are saying something, is going to have a textual translation on your screen in your video. So, and also in this subtitle, there are ways you can choose different languages. For example, if I'm speaking English in my video, so maybe someone in France doesn't speak English, they speak French. So there is a way you can set up your video or optimize your video to make sure that when you are talking in English, someone who is watching your video in another country who speaks another language will be able to understand what you are saying via the subtitle that is being shown on the screen. So basically what this means is that what you are saying is going to be translated to French or to Spanish, to Italian language, to the German language, whichever language you choose to add to your video. So in this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can do that. So, and also before we do that, I'm going to explain to you how this can help you get more views. Okay, you have to imagine this. When your videos are being understood in different languages, automatically it means that your video will be appealable to different audience, wider and larger audience. Even people that don't hear very well or deaf people, they will be able to relate with your video because they are able to read what you are saying in your video. People in other lands, in other countries that don't speak English, we also enjoy watching your video because at least they can understand what you are saying via the subtitle, the translated subtitles that is showing on the screen. Okay, so now how do we do this? Let me share my screen. If you are new here and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that next time I drop a video like this, you will be among the first people to get notified that Elevate with Angela has uploaded a video. So now I'm going to share my screen and show you step by step how you can do this. So now this is my screen. I'm already here on my dashboard. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do this. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and choose a video from here. Let me go ahead and choose this one, for example. Okay, so what you do, you just click here on the pencil, and then you are going to go over here to this side and click on subtitle. Okay, subtitle. So now you see we have subtitles. So we already have a caption coming, showing in English, automatic captions in English. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add a language. So let's say I want to add, let me say I'm adding French Canada, right? So I add French Canada. You can see that this place is still blank. And when you click on this pencil here, so you see that this place here is still grayed out, so I'm not able to click on it. So what you do is you close it and go back here. You see this place that that is saying automatic caption published here. You click on the pencil. Once you click on the pencil, you will see everything here. So everything, basically everything that I'm saying in this video has already been written out here in the English language. Yeah. So you just go ahead and click on publish. So let's wait. So now I'm going to go over here again, click on this pencil. So you see, before when I came here, this auto translate was grayed out. Yeah. But now, after I publish the English version, now you see that it's now clickable. So what I'm going to do is just click on it and hit on publish. So you can see here it's written in French. Yeah. So now you see this place is now showing published. So that's okay. So from here on, you can actually add many other languages that you want to add. And now, okay, let's go ahead. Let me add, for example, German, the German language. So you see, when I click on this pencil now, I will be able to click on auto translate automatically. So I don't need to go back and publish the English version anymore, but rather I can just go ahead and click on auto translate. So once you do the first step, it will be easy for you to add multiple languages to that particular video. So each video, let's say you are uploading a video, let's say you are uploading a video. So when you upload a video and you want to add subtitles, you have to like do these steps each time. Okay. So you see here now, everything is now translated to the German language. Okay. So then I hit publish. So that's it. So now this video has now French and German added to it. So for example, anybody who is in Germany or Switzerland that doesn't understand English can be viewing my video, seeing the subtitles in French or in the German language. So this is basically one feature that most top creators are using in their videos that some of us newbies don't know. So I discovered this recently and I thought to share with you all. So let me know if you are going to be trying out this subtitle option, and also share in the comment section what else you are doing to get more views and more engagements, and increase your watch hour and your subscribers here on YouTube. So thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that right away. Like, comment, and share, and so that other people can benefit from this video, because this feature I just showed you right now, I guarantee you most people don't know about this, or they don't know how to apply it, especially if you are still new on YouTube. This is a great feature to use if you want to reach broader audience, and also make it easier for people in other countries that speak other languages to relate well with your video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.